If your team works remotely across different locations, having accounting software tied to a single computer can slow everything down. Cloud Access changes that by putting your entire accounting system online so everyone can work from the same data in real time. With Cloud Access, QuickBooks stores your financial information on secure, remote servers instead of on individual machines. Your team logs in through a web browser or mobile app and sees one shared, always up-to-date dataset. There are no version conflicts, no emailing files back and forth, and no risk of someone working from outdated information. QuickBooks Online also adds role-based permissions, automatic updates, and strong encryption, which makes remote collaboration both easier and more secure. Here are the main things to keep in mind. Cloud Access lets teams work in real time from anywhere. Role-based permissions help safeguard sensitive financial data, and automatic updates remove the need for local maintenance or IT involvement. So what does Cloud Access actually mean for an accounting system? It means the software runs entirely online, and the provider handles everything behind the scenes. They manage updates, backups, security patches, and server infrastructure. Your team simply logs in and works. This eliminates manual file transfers, version management, and the limitations of desktop-only setups. Whether your staff is remote, hybrid, or spread across offices, everyone views the same accurate current financial information. Setting up QuickBooks Online for remote teams starts with choosing the right subscription plan for your user count and feature needs. Then assign a company administrator who will manage accounts, permissions, and integrations. Create user accounts for each team member with access levels that match their responsibilities. Make sure everyone has a supported browser and reliable internet connection. Next, connect your bank accounts, payment processors, and any commerce platforms so the whole team works from unified transaction data. If you're moving from another system, migrate your chart of accounts, customer and vendor lists, and important transaction history. Enable two-step verification for added security, and use the audit log to monitor activity and maintain clear oversight across the team. A few best practices can help things run smoothly. Always assign individual logins rather than sharing credentials. Update permissions whenever roles change. Keep two-factor authentication on for anyone handling financial data. Make sure browsers and operating systems stay up to date. And train staff to use the audit log so they can track changes and spot discrepancies quickly. Cloud Access lets your team collaborate faster, more accurately, and with far less maintenance. And when QuickBooks Online is set up correctly, remote accounting becomes significantly easier and more secure.